Hey guys, this is Restoration Rescue. In today's video, we're going to be slapping stuff on this truck harder than Will Smith slapped Chris Rock. Alright guys, so unfortunately we're not going to get this thing running today. We would have loved to, but we have a couple parts that are outstanding that haven't come in yet. So what we're going to do today is we're going to be throwing the fan on, our alternator on, getting the drive belt set up, throw some parts up here like the carb, and get our drive shaft on. But right now, we're going to get to slapping. Alright guys, we got a notification that Advance has some of the parts that we need to build this engine today, like our belt and some oil filters. So what we did so far today is we dropped the carb, we dropped our alternator, we slapped on our new fan. So we're gonna run over there real quick and we'll be right back. Man, I bet you guys didn't expect that. A buddy of ours loaned us some rims and tires so we could make this thing a roller. We unfortunately ran out of parts and out of time today. So that's gonna be a wrap for today, but hopefully join us next week when we attempt to start this thing for the first time.